stovetop whistling tea kettle, only culinary grade stainless steel teapot with cool touch ergonomic handle and straight pour spout, tea maker infuser strainer included. Not all kettles are built the same. The craftsmanship that went into this kettle is unlike any other on the market. As soon as you pick it up by its ergonomic cool touch handle, you will feel the precise balance and weight of the kettle. This 11-cup stove-top kettle was built to last. The only kettle made with 18/10 culinary grade stainless steel, Mueller's rust corrosion resistant technology and 5-layer mold process makes this the premium quality whistling kettle. Premium tea strainer infuser included. Our 18/10 culinary grade stainless steel teapot comes with an equally premium quality stainless steel tea strainer infuser, perfect for brewing up a single custom cup of loose leaf tea. Boils water in no time, unlike many lower quality, cheap, lightweight tea kettles that use just 1 or 2 layers. The Mueller tea kettle is made using 5 layers of 18/10 culinary grade stainless steel, even heat transfer with its aluminum-formed capsule bottom that heats up quickly. Less waiting and a more efficient tea or coffee brewing experience for you. Designed for safety and comfort, the Mueller stovetop kettle was designed without compromising safety and functionality. The cool touch ergonomic handle and straight pour spout provide comfort and protection for your hand from the heat, and the spout pours exactly where you want it to, unlike most others that make a mess. European quality, American safety and quality guarantee. Mueller's stove-top kettles are 100% Teflon and BPA-free and are made strictly using only quality 18/10 culinary grade stainless steel, iron and aluminum. Don't risk your health buying something you use so frequently that is tainted with hidden chemicals. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.